Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with yet another Qi2 wireless charging system from ESR. This is their 3-in-1 travel wireless charging set. So it's going to give you full 15-watt charging for your iPhone. It's going to be just as fast as MagSafe. You're going to be able to use that nice standby functionality when you are in landscape. And then, of course, this is also going to work in portrait. You're going to be able to get about a 50% charge with this in 1 hour for your 15 Pro. Everything works really well here. So then this is also going to charge AirPods or AirPods Pro. You've got a little magnetic wireless charging spot back here, 5-watt charging for that. And then you've got 5-watt charging for your Apple Watch. And this one is actually Apple certified. So that's really cool. 5-watt fast charging. And this part is even removable. So once you unplug this from the rest of the system, you can plug this into any USB-C charger or maybe USB-C port on your computer, and then you can use that to charge your Apple Watch. Really cool system. Let's take a closer look. Looking at the contents of the box, ESR has provided a carrying case for the components of the system made of a PVC type material. You got magnetic snaps on here, and you've got padded areas in the interior for the various components of the system. And then you've got a USB-C to USB-C charging cable on here, nice and long, with a Velcro loop to keep cord clutter under control. You've got a 33-watt USB-C wall adapter here. Nice glossy finish on here, quite compact, everything looks good. And then you've got your Apple Watch charger. So this one can be used by itself as a standalone product or with the system. Really cool product there, Apple certified, and just extremely well made. I really love this. And then finally, you have the travel charger itself. So this is nice and lightweight, adjust to various angles. Everything works really well here. So putting this all together is nice and easy. First off, you're going to notice that we have a USB-C in here at the bottom. That's where you're going to plug in your USB-C cable. So setup, super easy. Just plug this one in here. And then you're going to notice you've got a USB-C out over here. This one, not surprisingly, is where you're going to plug in your Apple Watch charger. So you're going to take the Apple Watch charger, remove your nice little magnetic cover here, which protects the USB-C, put that on the back where it's going to attach magnetically. This is such a cool little system. And then you're going to plug it in over here. And then you're good to go. Your Apple Watch is going to charge here at 5-watt fast charging here. Again, Apple certified, so that's really cool. The fast charging is only going to be for your newer Apple Watches. The older Apple Watches are not going to be able to take advantage of that 5-watt fast charging. But the fact that this is Apple certified means that this is going to charge all of your Apple Watches, so that's really cool. And then as far as AirPods and AirPods Pro are concerned, those are going to charge here in this little depression over here. This is magnetic, so you're going to be able to hit that sweet spot. So checking this out with AirPods 3. So those are going to fit in there really well. Larger AirPods, such as these AirPods Pro in this really nice Pulse Flip-Flop case from ESR that I recently reviewed. Those are going to take up a bit more space, but they're still going to charge just great. And as you can see, everything looks really good here. That's going to be 5-watt charging. And then your iPhone is going to charge at full 15-watt charging speed. So you're also going to be able to take advantage of that nice standby mode here. You got nice strong magnets. You can also obviously go in portrait mode as well. You're going to get a 50% charge here in about an hour with this. Everything works really well. So I think we're looking at a really great product here. I'm loving the compact size, the fact that you can charge 3 devices at once, and those fast charging speeds. Obviously, you can use this with a naked iPhone like we've been doing in this review, but you can also use this with a MagSafe compatible case. So this CloudSoft case with Stash Stand by ESR is going to work great. Really nice case, very strong magnets on here. So great in portrait. It's going to be great in landscape as well. This is also going to work well with bigger phones such as the 15 Pro Max, again here in an ESR case. So it's going to fit really well. Overall, just a really cool product here. The only negative that I'll mention, and I think it's a small one, is the fact that the USB-C wall charger has a very faint hum if you are listening to it in a quiet room and you have really sensitive hearing. I think that a lot of people are not going to notice this at all, but I do have sensitive ears and sometimes I hear a faint hum with this. But other than that, really great product. It's going to allow you to keep your iPhone, your AirPods Pro, and your Apple Watch all charged up and ready to go. Lots to love here from ESR. So the Qi2 3-in-1 travel wireless charging set is going to be available directly from ESR as well as from Amazon.com, and it comes in the lovely black color shown here as well as a white version. It's going to be priced at $64.99, and there is a 10% off coupon that you can use on Amazon as well. Many thanks to the kind folks at ESR for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions about this or anything else, please feel free to put them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And do consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.